Yeah, yeah, I'm started now.
Now started.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, yeah, we'll discuss. So we can add this list type. All list style type is square, disc, circle. We don't want any list before the list name. No need anything. Then we can add the list style type is none. Okay. So we can write this list also inside the LIs also we can write. For example, this is an array, right? So we can write ul inside the nested li, nested lists, nested list also we can write here in li into I need to write four li's. This is shortcut. Okay, I am writing, you need to observe. Okay, so just I am giving a, just b, and c, anything randomly I am giving. So just go to the browser and refresh it. So see, the Naresh is having, this is a list. Okay, so why we are getting here square types, circle types, we are list style type we are given as, this is not refreshed. Let me, yeah. So I will add here also style, I will add here also, then it will not applicable now. So see, without style we can see. So yeah, we can write style also, right? We can write square or circle or disc. We can write it. Okay. This is the nested unorder list. Okay. So this is about unorder list. So unorder list means UL and LI means list item. Okay. So this is about another list. So we'll go through the order list now. So order list is, so we can denote it with order list as UL. In inside the UL we need LIs as, for example, we need 5 LIs. Then this is a shortcut. Okay, directly you can enter, you will get it, the structure will get. So how many LIs is needed? So for example, this is an order list. So inside this, yeah, Siva, you can mute it, no problem, just listen. Yeah, this is, yeah, for example, I'm writing something randomly, some text. This is, we'll see. So this is so you can go through the browser and refresh it. You will get order name. This is called as first, second, third, fourth. You'll getting order, right? So when we are farming any LI, just we are getting order. So this is order list. So order list also we have some of the properties. So what is the property? We have so many types. So type directly we can add a type property here. Type, you see, this is all our properties. So when I'm, this is I'm giving a hint, our VS code. So just if I start with one, if I start with capital A, this LI will start with capital A and B, C, D, like that, like this will, it will print. So you can see here. So A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So like that, if LIs are increases, the list, the characters also increases like D, E, F, Z. So keep on, it will increases. Okay. So so type, I am starting with capital A. If I start with small a, that is also it will taken care. So it will start with small a now. If I refresh, A, B, C, D, E we are getting. Okay, the type is very we can add here, and some of the Roman number also we can add it. So Roman number I'm adding just I. So here just go and refresh it. So we'll see Roman numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is we can play with the order list and unorder list. This is we are playing with now order list. So now here I'm adding with italic numbers. So italic numbers means, right? So just it will comes as like this. So this is type conversion in the um, all the li order list. So you observed here, what is that list style type we can add. Here I am using only type. So in ul we can write order just nested ul also. So for example, I will write ul li is having li is having five li's. Sorry, into you need to write into five. Just type it, you will get it here. So I'm just this one is copying and pasting. uh, so these li for example, these li is needed nested pages. Like I will give order list. Inside the order list we have some li's. For example, it is having almost four li's. Then enter. So here a just I'm giving any number randomly. This is called as nested order list. Okay, so nested order list. So these IVU having, this is the nested list. So you can observe, refresh it, you will get it like this. So 1 2 3, this three number is having QAP. These kind of things we can observe. Some of the, like we have for example, so we have tea. Different type of teas are there, right? So we have, for example, this is an tea. We have green tea and Taj Mahal tea, Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal tea. So different teas are there, right? This kind of list also we can see in the real time in our world. So we can add some tea. So many types of teas are there nowadays. So just you go and refresh, you will get it. So like these three, the tea is having green tea, Taj Mahal tea, this tea. So we can divert here types. This is called as nested order list. So this is called as nested order list. So so here what we are learned. So we have some type each. So just we are adding here. I'm adding here type, just we are adding with a, and here also I'm adding with a only. So if you want to start with one some number, so that is also, and that is also, and one for example, I am starting here, start with that. Now I am not giving a type, I am giving start with, for example, is that I need to start with 100. Then it will comes 100 like this. So you can see here. So see 100 So it is 1 2 3. Why it is a 1 2 3 means it is default. It will take our just type is order list only, right? That's why it is taking. For example, I will start here, start equal to 1. Then, sorry, I will start with a 10. Then it will get 10, 11, 12, 13 will print. Okay, I will refresh that. I will refresh, you can observe. So here I am starting here 100. This is 100, 101, 102. So this is 103. This is parent one. For this one having child, these elements, these LIs. The li means, what is the li? The li is list item. Okay, so this is about order list, unorder list, and so we'll discuss about other list also. Other list is having, so for example, this is an order list, about order list. So maybe most of I covered here all the, what are the types we are using in real time. So just I'm using one more is description list. Description list or other list we can say. So other list is, just I am writing here. So I'm typing just DL. Inside the DL we have DT. So DT is DT, for example, control Z I'm doing that. For example, we have a coffee. uh, so coffee having uh, coffee having different like some of the some quotation also we find, right? For example here, Abdul Kalam. So Abdul Kalam. So we can give uh, great great practice, great practice, great practice make man perfect. So something I'm randomly message giving. So such kind of quotations, and we can see, right. So these kind of things it will be helpful. Other list or description list we can say. DL means description list. DT means description term. So the DD means so description term of list. So this is an DD. So just I'm going through the UI. You will see here. See, so this is a quotation. Last we can see any paragraph is there. For example, any article is there. We can find, right, these kind of notations. So this is called as DL, DT, and DD. So this is one kind of list. So we'll discuss. This is about lists. Okay. So next we'll go through the what is block level elements and what is inline elements. Okay, so basically block level elements always starts a new line. Okay, so some of the examples I will give you here. For example, div is in block level element. So I am just next topic is I'm adding here block level elements, block level elements and inline elements, inline elements. So just I'm commenting this line, so no need to print. So this is block level elements. I'm just adding some of the oh, directly we can write just lorem. You can pin type lo, just click on that, view entire paragraph, you will get it. So now the div and paragraph all are block level elements. Always starts a new line. Okay, such kind of element is called as block level of element. Some of the examples are div, para. This kind of elements are this kind of elements are block level element. This is block level element. Block level element. So just I'm just reloading this. So see, so this entire, there is no, it is not wrapping into the on the other line, right? This is called as block level element. Block level element means it will starts, always starts a new line. Yeah. So for example, if I write inside the div, so if I write here div, so just enter, just I'm wrapping here. So just I'm cut, so I'm writing this kind of text only. I'm creating inside one more div. So then you can see, so these text as having new line. Why? Because div is having block level elements. Block level elements always starts a new line. So just I'm refreshing this. See you what is the observation. So see, elite and nihil always so it will start again new line, right? You observed again it is wrapping to the another line. That is called as block level elements. So this is an what is the use of block level elements. If you want to start a new line, then we can use block level elements. So some of the examples are block level elements, div, para, and we have so many elements, but we'll discuss later. So we can write inline element. What is inline element means? Inline element means the it will follow the same line. It will not create a new line. If I write here div, I will remove the div. So then I will write here span. So it will span. Then just I will go here and refresh it. So just see. So nihil and Ellis, it will following the same line, right? It will not wrapping or not creating one more line. So that is called as inline elements means it will always starts, it will not create a new line, it always follow the same div itself, same line itself. That is called as inline elements. So next we'll go through the so Siva, you are understood, right? Even Naresh also you are understood, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Inline means within tag.
Yeah, inline elements, it will not it will follow the same line. Block level elements are always starts a new line. You observe, right? If I make this one as a
Yeah,
div,
yeah.
so directly you can wrap it and it will make it as new line. That is the main important HTML interview question. So what is block level element, what is inline element? And as of now, we have here one more interview question also there. What is a type of list, and what are the types of list is and we need to say three types of list: unordered list and order list and other list. Other list also we can say description list. Okay, I am saying here other list, you can say a description list also. So this is the types of list. And uh, till now we are covered, Shiva. So what is doc type of HTML also interview question. So what doc type here, you see, right? This is a doc type. Doc type, this it will declare version of the HTML file. So what, and this is the what is the root of the, what is the root element in our HTML means this is our root element. If you close this one, our entire HTML file will close. This is a root element. We have attribute called as lang. Lang means just language, what kind of language we are using here. So this is an attribute. And even here is correct cat set name content. So all these things will be there. So this is about block level elements and order list. And yesterday you practiced and even tables also, right? So how, what are the T body, T head, T footer, what is TD, what is TH, everything you need to know first of all. So then only you can easily create whatever tables is needed, you can create it. Okay. So let me go to another topic also. So you know, right? So classes. For example, I am adding here one div dot. This is a shortcut I am writing. So one class I am giving for para. So just you can enter the class equals to para. So just this para internal style we can write, not inline style. I am saying internal. So internal means just in head we can add the style attribute, style tag, and enter it. And I am writing class means dot. If you will discuss in CSS also. Just I am giving just here hint only, will so many things will do in the CSS. So okay, so let me add some this paragraph background color, something I'm adding here aqua, and color, sorry, I will add the different color. So we have red, and we'll add the color as we'll add color. So color we add the block. So this is called as, we can write CSS with the help of class also. Okay, regarding this one we'll discuss later also. Okay, so here this is an class. For this class I am just adding here. So just for this is a lorem. Just go and refresh it, you will find, yeah, this is amp. Color means it will applying for the text. Background means the entire content background it is applying. Okay, that is the difference between the color and background. Just color means apply for only text, and background color means it will apply for entire our content. That is the thing. This is the class notation. Just dot means class notation. Just I am giving id here. Ash giving means here you need to change id. Id, then it will, the our code will understand we are using id here, and this style will be applied. Okay, I will change now. Here color is green, and here this one is something gray I will give you. So that is okay, right? So we can observe id and class. how to write the ID and class specific point of view. Hmm. So now you observe, right? The background color is coming as gray type, and even the color is coming as text color is coming as green. So that is the we are applying classes and IDs. Later in CSS we will discuss regarding how many nested styles, nested classes will be right. All these things will be discussed. And one more thing we have. So for example, we'll try to implement one one UI. So let me so we'll try to implement it. So how the list will be so if you have any, so you I will give one assignment, even Shiva and Naresh. So just go through this order list and order list, and create a. I will give you here assignment one assignment. Create now bar. So now bar. Just don't say now bar. Now bar will discuss. Create one header. Okay, create header with the help of with the help of ul and lis. With the help of ul and li. Okay, so write css also. So color is you can write here color. I'm giving hint here. Color is somewhat color, you can add it. White color, this is fff means white color. And background bg color I'm adding just to bgc. So you can add mm, mm, color as that is gray type like ccc. So use create one now bar. How we'll create the now bar with the help of ul and li. Just practice it. Yeah, this is about today's class. So we'll discuss more, and we need to practice here. So we need to practice different types of tables, and how different types of now bar with the help of ul and lis. And we have multiple in terms of, like, we can write like this also. So for example, I will write ul inside the lis, inside the anchor tag. So how many lis are needed, that is also we can write inside the li into in the li into 5 this. So we'll just enter. This is I am just hard coding, right? Yes, this is a shortcut I am writing. So just you create one header with the ul and li. Try to implement and try to do the practice. Okay, so we'll discuss the how the responsive layouts and headers will create, and what is the schematic element. Yeah, Shiva, ask the question.
Yeah, in React purpose, we have to learn jQuery also.
No need. Yeah,
No need jQuery.
jQuery will help when we are learn the Ajax call purpose. It is needed, and even backbone JS also needed. But for React purpose, JavaScript is more than enough.
JavaScript. And in React purpose, what we have need HTML, CSS,
And
JavaScript.
JavaScript and Bootstrap also is needed. Why? How to use? But most of the libraries we not use in the React. So mostly we'll use like HTML and CSS and SCSS. So we'll discuss on that.
SCS.
SCSS. Yeah, that is an
Can you type?
extension for SCSS. You need extension. Yeah, that is an SCSS means that is an extension style sheet for CSS font.
CSS.
Yeah, this is an extension for CSS. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll step by step we'll go. First of all, practice is needed. Otherwise, no use.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll start recording.
Okay. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, SCSS. Is that enough?
Yeah, more than enough.